Today we're going to review this ring light, Neewer ring light that we've just purchased from Amazon. It's a professional ring light equipment. So let's open this box up and let's see what's inside. So I'm just opening it up to have a look inside. So I've just taken it out of the packaging, and it is quite heavy. So it does come in this carry case with all the accessories for this Neewer ring light. It's a big sort of circumference. It's a big sort of light, and there are, it does produce a pretty decent light, but it is quite a big carry case, as you can see. And in the box are all the bits. So I'm just going to open this up to see what's inside and what elements you need to get this ring light set up. So inside the box you'll get your charge lead, you get some USB cables, and you got two different ring light covers. So you got like a white one and an orange one, depending on what you're capturing. And then you've got your phone holder. So you would attach this onto the ring light and then sort of put your smartphone in. So these are really designed for smartphones, and they're not really designed for, like, I don't think, DSLR cameras these days. So if you're using it for vlogging or YouTube or TikTok and that kind of thing, then this is the perfect tool for you, really. I bought this specifically to do blogging videos, not so much more for YouTube videos. It's just to get pretty decent ring light image lighting for videos that will be useful for blogging, mainly videos. So this obviously attaches on. So I've screwed this on, and then this will attach onto the ring light, and then you'll be able to sort of kind of put your phone on and be able to use it. Okay, so we're just looking inside the box, and inside the box there's another box within a box, and this is the tripod. So I'm going to open this up to have a look at this as well. So I've just opened up the tripod, and it is quite sturdy. So I'm going to get this set up. So I'm opening it up right now just to see what it is. It's a normal standard tripod. It's not that amazing quality. You might want to probably get a better one of these, but it comes with the box. It comes with the ring light. So I'm just tying this up, ready to put the ring light on top. And like any other ring lights, there's a lot sort of kind of like sort of screws that allow it to sort of, extend and get a little bit more height on this ring light. Right, I'm just now attaching the ring light. So I've put all the connectivity on, and I'm just attaching the ring light now to the tripod, and it should just sort of hook in. So it should just go into the little gap. Yeah, there you go. So it's going in, and then once you put it in, make sure that all your sort of connections are really tightly fastened. Like on, or this ring light will sort of lopside. So make sure these are really, really tight. Okay, you don't want them sort of moving around too much. And then you've got, like, obviously once it's attached, you've got your connection there for your power lead. So you want to get that connected up to get your power going. So it comes with a standard sort of connection. So I'm going to power this up now. So I've got a connection. So I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to see what it's like when it's powered up. It's quite easy. It just connects in. So just put it in. Once it's connected, there's you got to twist it. So once you've twisted it, it will stay in. I think they've done that so it doesn't come out, which is quite cool. So once it's in, you want to make sure everything is nice and sort of kind of put in. So I've plugged it in now. I'm going to switch it on. So there's a little switch button over here. So if you just want to bring the camera here, there's a little switch button here. And if I now switch it on, it should come on, and you can see it's super bright. So cameraman, is that bright?
Yeah, very bright.
Is that really, really bright?
Can't even see you, that's how bright it is.
Okay, so can you see me now?
No, it's black, just the light.
Okay, so if I dim it down a little bit, yeah?
Yeah, I can see you now.
So this is a pro light equipment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video without the lighting, without the Rode mic, without the professional camera. I'm going to film it with my phone, and I'm going to show you how it looks with just your phone, and then with all the tools that you need in terms of ring light, side lights, road mic, and a professional camera, and you tell me what the difference is.
Alright.